Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, for every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway, and for the month of July it is the Sleek eyeshadow palette. I will put a link in the description box down below that'll take you to the video that tells you how to enter that. Also, I have a couple other giveaways going on. I'll put those in the description box down below as well. I do have some big giveaways upcoming, so be on the lookout for those. Today we are talking the Tribe Beauty Box. It is $34 a month. It ships out every other month, and I like that because it gives you a chance to really play with it before you've got more stuff coming in. And they always do a full face. Something for your eyes, something for your face, something for your lips, usually kind of something for your skin. So I really like that they give you like a full face to put forward for you. So I do have a discount code for them. It'll get you $10 off your first order. I will put that link in the description box down below as well. Let's dive into the box. First item is a powder blush by Cosmetics. It's a silky smooth cheek powder, creates naturally flushed look, powder glides over skin for a smooth and natural finish, retails for $26. So all the products in here are full size. So that's one thing Tribe Beauty does send out is full size products. Cosmetics is a cruelty-free company, love that. This is in the shade Key Largo. How pretty is this pink? It's a little bit deep for me. So I will put this in one of those big giveaways I talked about. By Mae Cosmetics, another cruelty-free company. It is their Luxe lip treatment in the shade Milky Way. Get Luxe moisturized lips with this collagen infused treatment. How pretty is this packaging? Ooh, this is stunning, you guys. Look how pretty this is. I love that. It's so pretty. Can't wait to try this one. Have a lot of fun with it. I really love the rose gold on here. From Mae Cosmetics, another cruelty-free brand, is their Mood Palette. Retails for $24.99. It's a super pigmented 8-color eyeshadow palette. And you were able to pick between 3 different palettes this time. This is the one that I picked. I thought it was super fun, super colorful, easy to work with shadows. So this is going in one of those giveaways too. I picked it up just for you guys. Ooh, from another cruelty-free company. Keep them coming, love it. This is Priming is Everything. Natural eyeshadow primer from the Balm. Retails for $12. And it's a natural eyeshadow primer. Acts as a base to keep your shadows in place and give you a color as bright and brilliant pop. Dab a few dots all over your eyelids, blend with the foundation on which to build a lasting look without creasing or fading. And then here is what that color looks like. This will be fun to try out. Ooh, all this box was entirely cruelty-free. Great job, Tribe. By Beauty Cosmetics is the HD Setting Spray, High Definition Makeup Setting Spray for a lasting matte finish. Retails for $30. It's a weightless and calibrated misting spray that locks the makeup into place for hours. Always need a good misting spray to try out. Love it. This was a really good box. I think they did a great job. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.